Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I am Dr. Muhammad Ashif. I am Chief Health at Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives. And I'll just give you a brief, background of what's the role of this section of, of health at the Planning Commission. Basically, Planning Commission, just for the sake of clarity. In health sector, development of national vision, development of broad policy framework, and undertaking strategic planning. Objectives of this project are to raise public awareness for both the psychosocial well-being of at-risk population and in particular to address the stigma and discrimination of the infected populations. Then the other objective is to identify and manage stress-related conditions in healthcare workers and first responders, and integration of the mental health and psychosocial support in all the response activities. This project also aspires to provide psychosocial counseling to the most vulnerable population groups, including women and children at risk, bereaved families, and particularly the people with disabilities. And this project will be ensuring mental health care for those already suffering from the mental disorders. So these, and for this reason, as I earlier mentioned, a mental health coordination unit has been set up at the Ministry of Planning to implement a pilot in ICT to develop a mental health force which will be trained to provide MHPSS at multiple levels through intersectoral collaboration. And for that purpose, we have collaboration with all the stakeholders within the Islamabad Capital Territory. That is the Ministry of National Health Services Regulations and Coordination, the various tertiary healthcare institutions like the Polyclinic, PIMS, and others. And similarly, the Chief Commissioner Office, the education sector, the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training, Federal Directorate of Education, and many others. So there is strong collaboration in implementation. The details, Dr. Asma would be providing you the details of this project later on. I just felt it good to share with you the main, the sketch and the framework of this project and what does it aspires to achieve. And in this, later on, Dr. Asma would be highlighting at the tier 4, and it is the specialist care that really counts, and that has got a very important role in successful implementation of this project. So Planning Commission and Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiatives is fully committed to support the successful implementation of this project, and not only implementation, subsequent rollout and its expansion and in rest of the countries based upon its evaluation that we are going to have. And similarly, we have multiple, expression of interest from the multi-donor organizations, and they are looking towards this initiative, how successful it turns out to be, so that they could be contributing towards expansion of this initiative later on. Because currently we have UNICEF as our partner, but there are many other organizations. Even the World Bank, I received a WhatsApp message from the World Bank, and they were very much interested in this subject, and they wanted to really extend their support for this project. And I think so. This is, and all the specialists in this field, in this meeting, we take it as a privilege that you are with us, and you are going to be our arms in successful implementation of this project. And I'm quite sure that with the able and very much competent leadership of Dr. Asma and her team, Ms. Sara is there, and others, we will leave our aims that I earlier highlighted with successful implementation. And the second thing is, I would like to share broad policy framework as I referred earlier. Yesterday, we had a meeting at the Planning Commission, and it was decided in that meeting, because this is something a mandate of the Planning Commission. And now we have a dedicated mental health coordination unit with the professionals of this field with us. So it was decided this mental health coordination unit would be taking lead, and it would coordinate and steer the development of this broad policy framework in the field of mental health as a whole, a broad policy framework. And we also the timelines that preferably we will going to achieve this milestone